What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Aeroplanino Gattino from Italian Brainrot. Let's start today's lesson on the left side of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the right. We're going to start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Now I'm going to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the top left, we're going to draw a smaller circle, going all the way around, and then in, and do the exact same thing on the right. Now along the top of each pupil, let's add a smaller circle for a highlight, and we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now in between the eyes, we're going to shift the nose over towards the left. So let's start with a curve, going up and then down. From the ends, let's curve the nose, going down and in towards the center. Now up above the nose on the left, we're going to add a fold, going up and then bring that down. From the tip of the nose, draw a straight line coming down. Now I'm going to separate the muzzle, starting with the right. We're going to come down, go all the way around, and then up. Let's go back to the center, do the same thing on the left, going all the way around, and then up. Let's go underneath the eyes. We're going to add a fold for the cheeks, and this up and then out with a short line. Now from the outside of the left eye, we're going to step over. We're going to draw the cheek. We're going to go out, come around, and then in towards the chin. So round up the chin, coming down, and then up. Let's go back to the cheek. We're going to draw the top of the head. We're going to go up, round up the head, and then come across towards the right, directly above the right eye. Now I want to place the ear on top of the head. So from here, we're going to step down, bend this up and then out. Curve the outside of the ear, coming around, and then back in towards the side. Let's tuck the left ear in behind the head. We're going to start up here, and it's out, and then up, and it's in, and then down. Now we want to close out the cheek on the right, starting underneath the ear, kind of around, come down, and then in. Let's trace the outside of the left ear, going up toward the top. And I want to bring this in and then down. Let's trace the outside of the right ear, going up toward the top, come around the side, towards the bottom. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve. Now I'm going to go back underneath the muzzle on the left side. We're going to draw the chin, coming down and then across. From the side of the muzzle, we're going to add a couple whiskers on the left, going up and then out. Same thing on the right. Step down and draw another one. Now with the head complete, let's draw the top of the plane. We're going to line up the head over on the right side of the ear, go across. Now we're going to bend this down towards the end of the tail. From here, draw a straight line coming in. Now we want to draw that small wing across the back, so it's going to round out the inside, bend this down, and then out. Let's go back to this point, draw a straight angle line coming out towards the end, and then round out the tip. From the end of the plane, we're going to step up, draw a straight angle line going all the way up on the back of that wing, round up the top, come down at an angle towards the top of the plane, and then bend that in. Now we're going to go to the center of the body, step over, draw the top edge of the wing, going across with a straight line. Towards the back. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round this out, bend the wing, coming down, and go all the way out towards the end. Let's go back up to the top, draw a straight angled line, going out towards the tip of the wing, and then we'll just round out the end. Now let's line this up along the left side of the head for the back wing. We're going to go out, straight line, round out the wing, and then come back in towards the head. Now underneath the wing on the right side, we're going to draw an oval for the engine. Going all the way around towards the bottom, and bring that back up. And I want to trace this along the inside. From the bottom, bend this across and then up. round out the back and just tuck that up underneath the wing. Now I want to add a seam across the front edge. So we're going to step over, draw that same curve coming down. We're also going to see the back engine in behind the head. So let's start up here, draw another oval, coming down, tuck that up underneath the head. Let's trace that along the inside. Now from the bottom, pull this up underneath the head. From the bottom of the head, we're going to add a curve going across, and we're going to aim up underneath this back wing. So go across, and gradually bend that up, continue across the back. Let's add a row of windows across the middle. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to draw an oval, go all the way around, and then up, leave a gap, and want to continue over towards the right. Let's add a thick edge for the windows on the right side. So starting from the top, bend this around and then down across each window. Now I want to add a set of tires just underneath the head. So we start with an oval, starting from the top, going all the way around, and then back up. Let's add another oval on the right side, just tucked in behind, going up. And then in the center, draw two lines going up. On the right tire, on the right side, draw a smaller oval for the inside of the wheel. Now I want to go back and add some stripes across the body. Let's start with the one in the center of the head, and bend this around, and then down in the middle, round this out, go up, and then across. Let's add a couple stripes along the side of the head, bend this up, and then back down, add a smaller one across the bottom. Now I'm going to layer some stripes across the top of the body. Let's start up here, bend this across, and then down in behind the wing, continue down, round that out. And I just want to taper this so it gets wider as it comes up toward the top of the body. Let's add a few more going across towards the back. Let's add some stripes across this fin, starting from the bottom, then this across and then down, round this out, and then pull that back in, and continue up towards the top. Now I want to add some stripes across the front of these wings. Let's start with the one on the back, and this across, and then back down, and then across the front of this wing. Now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Aeroplanino Gattino from Italian Brainrot. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.